Well, hey, Dave's Roadies. Road Trip Dave is coming at you from the Ivy Place Strawberry Farm outside of Charlotte. During our lockdown, we decided to go out and have an excursion. Let's check it out. Well, my roadies, you know the drill. Make sure you chokeslam the like button, leave a comment and share. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and click that bell. Follow me on social media. And if you want to check me out on PayPal, you can do that there too. So this farm where we're located is called the Ivy Place. And it's in Wyck, South Carolina, which is outside of Lancaster. It's near Charlotte. It's about 30 minutes away. But as you can see, over here they have young plants of strawberries, young strawberry bushes growing right here. And over here, just tons of strawberry bushes that are mature that they'll let you pick. And what's been really amazing is that there's hardly anybody out here, and we've been able to just make our own space. So this is where you can wash your hands. It's a really cool setup there. And that's where you can get your baskets to pick up your strawberries. And then right here is a guide for how to pick your strawberries. Just an important note that you actually have to set up an appointment time with the Ivy Place for your family to come to the farm and pick strawberries. They got plenty of strawberry patches. Some of these haven't. See, those are still little on the young side. They're not fully ripe yet. But some of these some of them have already been picked, and some of them are good to go, like these over here. Looks like they've been growing some other things here. Well, I want to let you guys know that despite the quarantine, despite some of you who don't have the ability to go out and do these things, try and find a farm. Try and find some place that will at least be open for you to get some food from the source, and that way you can enjoy the great outdoors. Well, we've really enjoyed it out here. This has been just so relaxing and, no pun intended, a breath of fresh air. So when we can all get out again, just keep in mind that the Ivy Place looks like they have an event building. They have an event tent where you could probably have a wedding reception or any sort of party or something like that. Maybe even have a wedding out here. Well, my roadies, I hope you enjoyed this little vlog, this little breath of fresh air and sunshine during this quarantine. Make sure you guys stay safe, stay healthy, and we hope to see you out on the road and hopefully at some theme parks too. So until next time, my roadies, laters.